Hey guys, this is Miss Campos. Today we are going to be reviewing how to multiply decimals. Hola, hoy vamos a estar revisando cómo multiplicar números decimales. So, let's say we're going to multiply 7 and 1800ths times 5/10. Vamos a estar multiplicando 7.18 multiplicado por 0.5. Remember, when you are multiplying decimals, do not worry about aligning the decimal. We're going to worry about the decimal until the very end. So, cuando estás multiplicando números decimales, no te debe de importar el punto o alinear los puntos. Vamos a encargarnos de eso al final. Alright, so regular multiplication, you always start at the very end. We are going to start by multiplying 5 times 8. Vamos a empezar multiplicando 5 por 8. We know that's 40. We write the 0, carry the 4. Then, next we multiply 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So, 5 por 1 is 5, más 4 is 9. Then the last one, 5 times 7 is 35. We bring down the whole number. 5 por 7 is 35. Now that we have figured out our answer, we already multiplied, now we're going to worry about the decimal. Ahora es cuando nos vamos a encargar del punto. So remember, we're going to pretend we're going to move the decimal to the end. How many times do we have to move the decimal to get to the very end? On the first number, it's 2. So necesitamos dos números para poner el punto al mero final. And on the 5/10 is 1. So we moved the decimal a total of 3 times. Movimos el décimo un total de 3 veces. So tenemos que encontrar 3 números en nuestra respuesta. Now we're going to count 3 numbers in our answer. And 1, 2, 3. Our decimal goes between the 3 and the 5. So contamos 3 números. Ahí es donde ponemos el punto. Here is my answer. 3 and 590 thousandths. Esta es mi respuesta. Let's do another one. Now, let's say we are multiplying 623 thousandths times 9. Vamos a multiplicar 0.623 multiplicado por 9. So, again, we start with the end. 9 times 3 is 27. Write down the 7, carry the 2. Siempre empezamos al final. 9 por 3 es 27. Escribimos el 7 y cargamos el 2 al siguiente lugar. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So we write down the 0, and now we have to carry 2 over. So, 9 por 2 es 18, más 2 es 20. Ponemos el 0 y tenemos que cargar otro 2. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 2 is 56. So now let's count the decimals. Ahora vamos a contar los décimos. Tuvimos que mover 3 al número de atrás y no tuvimos que mover ningún lugar porque recuerden, un décimo está al final de cada número entero. There's always a decimal behind every whole number. So we didn't even have to move the decimal on that one. That's why it's 0. So we moved a total of 3 times. We count 3 numbers and that's where our decimal is going to go in the answer. Ahí es donde ponemos el décimo en nuestra respuesta. So the answer is 5 and 607 thousandths. Mi respuesta es 5.607.